Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to get BullX Neo completely free, skip the waitlist, and get instant access. I'm going to be sharing the best settings, tips and tricks, and fees to get you up to speed. It's pretty easy, so first things first, you want to go in the first link in the description. It's called tradingbots.net. You want to click that. So after clicking that, this is what you're going to see. This is tradingbots.net. You're going to scroll down. You're going to go to BullX Neo and you're going to click right here. Once you do that, it'll take you here. You're going to want to go to start bot, which will take you to your Telegram. So you want to find this start button right here. In case you don't see it, you can always just type /start and press enter. Wait a bit and you'll see the login button. In case this doesn't work for you, you can also use this access code right here. You're going to want to copy it and then paste it right here and press enter, and you're going to get access that way as well. Next, you're going to want to press login. Once you do that, it'll take you to BullX Neo. You are officially inside. So this is the home page and this is what it looks like. This is the Neo Vision. So first things first, you want to go to your wallet manager right here. So when you sign up or when you log in the first time, it gives you some keys. That's essentially your password to your wallet. So what you want to do is copy that and paste it and save it here. You want to copy it and you want to paste it in a safe folder as well. And remember, don't share it with anyone. And that's pretty much it, because it's a direct access to your wallet. So you can also add funds from here, from the add funds button. You're going to go here, you're going to see this QR code, and you can do it through that, or you can also do it through this address over here. Other than that, you can go to the withdraw button here. Then you have the distribute button and the consolidate button as well. So just a tip, what you can do is you can take your private key and import it to your Phantom wallet and manage it there. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. Okay, so now let's get into trading. Okay, so there are two places where you can start trading. You can either go to the explore page. You can explore all of the tokens over here. You can quickly buy them from here, or you can also just go to the Neo Vision. This is what I personally use as well. So you're going to see all these newly created tokens over here. As you can see, you can scroll down and see yourself. These are the ones that are about to graduate. What that means is that they are going to eventually become the official meme coin. And these are the ones that have already graduated over here. So what I like to do is I like to filter these out to be able to get rid of all the bad performing coins. So the filter I put on the newly created tokens is that I put the market cap at 10,000. So I'm going to do that right now. 10,000. I'm going to click apply. This is basically going to get rid of all the bad performing coins, and it's going to show the tokens that have motion from the start. But do keep in mind that putting this filter, you will miss some of the coins, so just keep that in mind. You can also lower this market cap if you want, if the market is slow or however the market is performing. But personally, I just like to keep it at a 10K minimum. So coming to the about to graduate section, the filters are a little more detailed over here. So what I do is that I go to the insider wallet supply. It's on the 1, 2, 3, fourth one. It's the fourth one. There's a minimum percentage and there's a maximum percentage. So what I like to do is I put a 40% maximum percentage here. What this basically does is that it does not let the held wallets being insiders be more than 40%. Okay, so it basically helps you detect coins with rug pulls and insider trading, which dumps them really quickly. Other than that, I also like to enter a 5-minute minimum volume of 10,000. So let's write that here, 10,000. What this does is that it basically shows you the coins that have motion and are pushing towards migration. So we're going to click apply right here. It's going to load. Okay, so now as you can see, all these coins have a lot more motion and they look more legit. As you can see, you can scroll all the way down So they have a lot of motion. So these are mostly legit coins and they're about to graduate. So when it comes to the graduated tokens, all of these over here, I don't put any filters here. That's mostly because these are those coins that have made it out alive and they have graduated. So I don't like keeping any filters here. But although there can still be scams here, you can definitely find some scams here, but just be a little wary about it. I like to see which coins have made it out of here to here to see which coins are good. So let's get into buying now. So if you were to go to the coin over here, which is President's Day, if you were to click that, now you're going to see your trades, orders, positions, history, and so on over here. Here you're going to see your buy and sell settings. So there's market, limit, DCA, which are different types of orders. So basically what you do here is you go here to the icon of a man slipping. You're going to click that. After that, I like to keep my priority at 0.1 Solano. So I keep it at 0.0000001. So let me just say that again. It's 0.000001. After the point, there are 5 zeros, all right? So that's what I keep the priority fee at, which is insanely cheap, and you won't have to worry about losing money. Next, I keep the slippage unit at 15. I do that to keep the balance because I don't want the coin to move a lot and it stays in a good range. I'm basically keeping it in that range where I want to buy it. And then for MEV protection, I keep it disabled because our slippage is low, and our bribe we keep at 0 as well because we have that off. That's pretty much it for the buy settings. Now let's go towards the sell settings. So before we go on to the sell settings, I also wanted to let you know of one thing. Why we keep this disabled is also because one thing that I already mentioned was our slippage is low. And secondly, we're not really going to be trading that much, right? So there's less of a target. So it's less of a target for MEVs. So now let's go towards the sell settings. We've got the priority fee the same, which is 0.000001. So after the point, there are 5 zeros, the same way we did for the buy settings. The slippage limit we will set at 30, and we're going to also disable the MEV protection here just because MEVs don't really go for sells and it doesn't really help them. Okay, so the next set of settings that I'm going to share is basically for people who want to put in more money and take more risk. So we're going to go to buy settings and we're going to set this at 0.004 and we're going to set this at 30, and this time we're going to enable MEV protection since our slippage is higher and we're putting in more money. This could be anywhere around 1 Solano or maybe less, doesn't really matter. They want to be able to get in quick and get out with a little more wiggle room. For the buy breb, I'm going to be doing the same, which is 0.004. Okay, so for the sell settings, you're going to use the same blueprint as we did. So let's change that priority back to 0.004. I'm going to keep this at 30. We're going to go and enable MEV protection, and the buy breb will be the same, 0.004. So these settings are also, these sell settings are also pretty good. You could change the slippage if you want, but I personally keep it at 30. Okay, so for all you high ballers out there, what you can do is you can increase these numbers accordingly, but I leave that to you guys according to how much money you want to spend and how much trade you are going to do. So lastly, what I'm going to show you is you want to go back here, go select buy, and you're going to see the presets here for buying. This is for instant trades and others. So you want to go to settings over here. You're going to go to buy preset buttons. Okay, so you can either choose Solana or Tron. I usually use Solana. So you can choose from 8 here, but I usually just use these 4, which is 0.01, 0.08, 0.09, and 0.07. So for the sell preset, I like to keep it at 25, 50, 75, and 100. What I also like to add is to add a 10% over here to have a little bit of clippings. So that's it. Now that all your settings are ready, you are ready to start trading. So a couple of tips that I'd like to share. Number one, please be patient. It takes a while to find a really good coin. You really don't want to rush this, because if you rush it, you will end up losing money. We don't want that. You don't want that. So trust me, never rush it. Take your time to understand the platform, understand everything. You have all the time to learn. The last thing you want is to lose a lot of money. So just take your time, take it easy, take it slow, and you will get there eventually. Okay, so when you go to trades, make sure that there aren't a lot of these yellow emojis. These are called holder emojis. So make sure there aren't a lot of these. If you go to holders and you see the percentage here, if this is high, then that is a bad sign. That means that this could be like a pump and dump scenario. So that's bad for you. But in this case, this isn't very high, even though I know that there are a bunch of holder emojis here, but I don't think this is necessarily a bad coin. That's it. That's all you need. Now that all your settings are done, you are ready to start making money. And once again, if you need access to BullX Neo, you just got to go to the link in the description, tradingbots.net. That's it. Don't forget to share this with your friends, whoever needs access to BullX Neo, and if you want them to start making money as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love reading comments, so please do leave your comments, leave your thoughts, leave your experience. I'm going to read it all. That's all, and see you in the next one.